syrup season. When you're splitting wood, there's some things you need to know. This is an axe. It's more narrow, flat. It's good for chopping down a tree, for felling a tree, or for splitting through a log. Don't split your wood with an axe. You can, but you'll have a lot more power if you use a splitting maul. It's like a sledgehammer with a blade on it. Axe, splitting maul. Use the splitting maul. When it comes to the wood you want to use for firewood, don't use your softwood. Don't use your pines. Don't go and use aspen. I recommend not even using birch. Go ahead and split up the hickory, split up the maple, and split up the oak. Let it season for a good year, and should have a nice knocking sound to it. You know, if it's oak, it has that wonderful smell. And let's do some splitting. Nice and easy example. Over here on the ground, you got concrete. You don't want to split wood on concrete. Why? Because you can damage your concrete and you can damage your split maul when you split that thing in half. Go ahead, take your wood, put it on another log, like so. Also, when you're splitting wood, don't have the wood pointing at you. Why? Well, there's less area to strike, and it could throw off your aim. Go ahead and turn it this way, away from you, and then you have a nice even split coming up. So, take your split maul, go ahead and take a second, look where you want to hit it. Make sure you got plenty of room, there's no one standing by you, nothing above you, and just like that. So when you're going to split wood, you know, this is a little big for the maple syrup evaporator. It's also a little big for a lot of stoves and fireplaces. You want to cut this at least one more section. This was quartered by the wood splitter. Now it's time for the splitting maul. Make sure you cut with the grain, it'll split a lot nicer. Like so.